Well, let me explain to you how the future might not be like what you expect. Today they are talking about having an electric automobile versus a gasoline car or internal combustion engine. Now we have two types of combustion engines. One that is a diesel engine and one is a gasoline engine. The diesel is more efficient, but it is more dirty. The whole idea is to keep the environment clean. So they are coming out with this solution of having an electric car. The problem is the energy utilized by that car must be produced someplace. Energy cannot be produced. Energy can only be transferred. And how are you going to transfer energy from the internal combustion engine onto an electric car, onto the wheels on the street? Well, it's impossible, because that energy must be transferred from somewhere else, someplace else. So the gasoline made for this car is no different than the electricity made for that car. It's a different source, but it's still energy. So we are going to be producing gases, and we are going to be producing noise, and we are going to be producing energy out of this engine, and we are going to be doing exactly the same with that car. The only difference is that it's going to be produced in some place else by an electric power plant someplace else. So as you see, you have to expend energy to produce that car, no different than this car. What I'm trying to say is that it is not a solution. It's not a solution to have millions of automobiles like that one, of millions of automobiles like this. One example of this is about a few years ago, the Europeans decided they are going to utilize diesel engines because they are more efficient. The problem with that is that it is impossible. It is just a strategy. It's a marketing strategy. What is happening is that now the diesel engine, yes, it is more efficient, pound per pound of fuel, than the gasoline engine, but it's going to produce the same amount of dirt, molecules in the air, pollution. So how they try to get around this is by tampering with the laws, the past laws, and these laws require you or the manufacturer to meet some standards, and it cannot happen. It's impossible. So what the manufacturer does is tamper with the thing. So when you go and test those standards, they will be applied. It will work, but it's just a make-believe, because when you put them on the road, it's going to be just another pollution, another pollutant. So the only solution is public transportation, where you get a lot of people from that energy that you are producing. You get more value, more people moving, more freight, more commerce, more transportation for the same amount of energy that you utilizing. That is the key. A freight train, a ship at sea, is more efficient, a lot more efficient than this automobile. And that is what we need to be looking at. We need to start looking at reality, what is real for us, for humans. And tampering with the stuff, coming out with rules and regulations that benefit just the rich, just the people who make these cars, it doesn't work. We need to go what is real. And what is real is that car is not as efficient as this car. No, vice versa. They utilizing the same energy going down the road. The only difference is the energy in this car is being produced in a power plant someplace, polluting the environment. And this one is being produced inside the car. Unless humans come out with a different way of utilizing energy, it's no way around it. It's no way that we can stop polluting by moving ourselves over the earth. So the money should be invested not in passing laws and benefit a few people, but the energy that we need to put in ourselves is to create new source of energy, new techniques to be utilizing that energy more efficiently, not only efficiently, but unite the forces of the universe and creating something that we have never seen before. And yes, we can do it. I believe that we can do it because we are humans and we can think abstractly. We can think of something and create it. And that is how we get conditioned. That's how we use languages and religion and all these things that we come out with. Well, let's put our emphasis in founding physics, utilizing physics to solve our problems, and together we can do it. We sure can. And saludos to all of you, and analyze that. You are going to use energy on this car, energy on that car. It doesn't matter. It's still energy. There is no difference in between the two. It's just marketing techniques. Both are going to be polluting the environment. This one right here with me, that one in a power plant someplace. Well, saludos to all.